Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about the strategy ready-made templates in BullsAi. So to access that, we will go to Phoenix and then we'll scroll down and then we'll choose Explore Ready Templates. As you can see, there are many templates to choose from here. Today we are going to talk about RSI. In the RSI division, we have RSI cross above and below 50. We have RSI divergence. We have RSI overbought and oversold. We have reverse RSI crossover and also RSI-MACD crossover. We'll talk about all these in this video and I'll show you how to run one of them and how to play with the parameters over here. Okay, so let's talk about first the RSI overbought oversold, which is the basic one. I've clicked on code over here. As you can see, this option, and in this option, if you want to use this strategy, first you need to check the parameters over here. The tweakable parameters which are there in the strategy is the time period, the overbought and the oversold threshold. Okay, let's see how this strategy works. The principle is very simple. The strategy uses relative strength index, that is RSI, to detect overbought and oversold condition. It buys when RSI is below a defined oversold level and sell when RSI is above an overbought level. Now let's see how we can run this strategy. First, you need to click on save. After clicking on save, you need to click on continue. Now, as you can see, this is the screen which is appearing, and first you have to click on the tweak strategy. Inside tweak strategy, you need to select the instrument. Let's say I am selecting TCS. Now I need to select the candle size. Let's say I do it for 5 minutes, or maybe I'll choose 15 minutes. After that, these are the threshold levels which you can change and play around with, and then we'll click on save. After clicking on save, I'll go down. If I need to backtest this strategy, I need to click on save and start. After clicking on save and start, as you can see, there are multiple modes which you can run on this strategy. That is backtest, we have paper trade, we have live trade. Whatever you want, you can select and run it. Right now, we will do the backtesting of this strategy. I have clicked on backtest. All the parameters are there. If you want to change the backtest duration, you can change that as well. You can make it, let's say, 1 month, and you can change the quantity as well, but let it be 100 for now. And you can also set the target and stop loss level. But over here, I am not setting it. Then after everything is been set, now I'll click on backtest. As you can see, this is starting. Meanwhile, I can click on data and keep on refreshing this button so that I can see the logs. The logs has been started to generate, as you can see. Very soon, all the backtesting results will be on your hand. But before that, let's check on the other RSI based strategy. I'll quickly hop on to the place. So let's talk about RSI cross above and below. RSI cross above and below is the same as RSI overbought and oversold. The main difference being the overbought and oversold level is set to 50. Next, we have RSI divergence. What is RSI divergence? The concept is very simple. The strategy detects RSI divergence to identify potential trend reversals. It enters a buy trade when price makes a lower low, but RSI makes a higher low. This means bullish divergence. And sell trade when price makes a higher high, but RSI makes a lower high. This means the bearish divergence. Now let's talk about the reverse RSI crossover. This is the code for reverse RSI crossover. As the name suggests, the reverse RSI crossover is the reverse of the RSI. So this strategy captures reversal at RSI extremes. It enters a buy when RSI rises above the oversold level and sell when RSI drops below the overbought level. The exit occurs when the reverse crossover happens, signaling a possible end to the mean reversion mode. The parameters which you can play it with are the same 3 values: overbought value, oversold value, and time period. Now let's check what are the backtesting results. I'll again hit on refresh and I can see the PNL book has been generated for us. And if I click on analytics, all of the analytics has been done. The curves has been generated for users. The heat maps and everything has been generated. So this was all about RSI, and I'll see you in the next video.